Innovative afternoon to one and all gathered for this orientation webinar on setting up institutions innovation council in pharmacy institutions. Before heading towards a session, let me just introduce our institute. Indira Institute of Pharmacy, a constituent institute of Prabodhan Shikshan Prasarak Sanstha, Ambov, was established in the year 2008 with the motto of a social awakening and upliftment of education. The institute has completed over 14 years of its existence and committed to excellence in undergraduate and diploma pharmacy education, which is located at Sadavli, Devruk. The institute is approved by Pharmacy Council of India and All India Council of Technical Education, New Delhi, and recognized by the Directorate of Technical Education, Government of Maharashtra, and is affiliated to the University of Mumbai and MSBTE Maharashtra. With the vision to develop globally competent and professional pharmacists, the Institute imbibes scientific and technical knowledge with ethical values to the students. The Institute believes in overall personality development of the students by organizing curricular, co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Institute has a very good industrial tie-up and placement record, which has placed the Institute consecutively 3 times in AICTE C2 survey gold ranking. I would also like to emphasize that our institute is NAC accredited. Now, I would like to request our principal, Dr. Amol B. Khare, to felicitate our guest, Dr. Sandeep Jine, and address today's innovative session. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Nikul, for briefing about our institute and giving me an opportunity to welcome all the participants and especially today's guest speaker, Dr. Sandeep Jine sir, who is a good friend of mine, and we are working in association for various activities of APKI Mumbai region. And I know personally he is very dynamic and he has lots of innovative ideas, and perhaps that makes him today what he is. And he has been chosen by the Ministry of Education, MHRD, as an innovation ambassador. So I, on behalf of our institute, wholeheartedly welcome you, sir, for this session.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. I also welcome all the participants who are representing their institutions and who have shown their interest to strengthen the activities of their institutional innovation council. I also welcome all my faculty colleagues and especially the members of all IIT, IIC here who have gathered through this virtual platform for strengthening and making it fully functional, this Institutional Innovation Council. As we all know that the Institutional Innovation Council is one of the key parameters for ranking when we have the NRF ranking or ARIA ranking. Even recently we had diploma inspection and the committee was asking whether your institution has ISSL or not. So that is important, and it is a mandate by the AICTE. And I think this is a selective. So MHRD, I think they select the institute to establish the IIC based on what activities the institute is undertaking, which is given time to time by the government and especially the AICTE. And here I would like to note that not only it should be established because of the mandate, but we should take further because our young students, the young generation, they have lots of innovative ideas. They have very interesting ideas, some success stories we can have, and the innovation and entrepreneurship nowadays, these are the buzzwords. And in consideration to that, so Our main aim of establishing this institute is not only for helping to get the accreditation or to get the ranking, but the main aim is to promote the students in the area of entrepreneurship and innovation. So with this, we had some discussion with Gine sir, and he said, why not we can extend it this to the other institutions also, and let them also take benefit of that, and even our institution, our members are looking forward to seek guidance from you, sir, in the coming session. We are looking forward to take some tips so that we can have some constructive activities through this IAC. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Khadi sir, for your innovative address to the session. Now it gives me an immense pleasure to introduce the Innovation Ambassador, Dr. Sandeep Jine. Dr. Sandeep Jine has been working as a faculty, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, SVKM's Dr. Bhanuben Nanavati College of Pharmacy, Mumbai, and convener of the Institute Innovation Council. Dr. Sandeep Jine has more than 14 years of teaching experience. He has been approved as PG teacher, University of Mumbai. He has guided 9 postgraduate and 1 PhD students, and currently 2 students are pursuing postgraduate under him. He has over 22 scientific publications and more than 100 citations to his credit. He has worked on projects related to synthetic and analytical chemistry. He has gained knowledge and expertise related to the characterization and identification of plant phytoconstituents. His expertise is well versed with various analytical capability techniques. He is a reviewer of several reputed scientific journals and scientific magazines. He has been a lead member of many of the institute-related activities. He is a life member of the Association of Pharmacy Teachers of India. Apart from academics, he has expertise to build skill set of students such as team working, leadership, interpersonal skills like negotiation, persuasion, decision making, handling conflict, sharing attitude, communication skills, and creative thinking. Recently, Sir has received tag of Innovation Ambassador from Ministry of Education's Government of India Innovation Cell. Now, I would like to request our speaker, Dr. Sandeep Jine, to start his knowledgeable and innovative session. Over to you, sir.
Yes, thank you very much, Nikul, for this nice introduction. Also thankful to Dr. Amol sir for giving me an opportunity to have some discussion with Institute Innovation Council. So without any delay, we will talk on our core topic about what is IIC or what will be the role of IIC, and most important thing is about in what way we can shape our IIC cell members so that the constructive activities will be there and constructive mechanism will get set, and accordingly we will be eligible for the rank in IIC. So just allow me to share my screen, and accordingly then we will proceed.
So now you can able to share the screen.
Yes. Is it in shareable mode? Will you please confirm?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Okay. So as title we are saying, this is a orientation session on setting up institutions innovation council in pharmacy institutions. So whatever the guidelines we are following that are from ministries of Education's Innovation Cell and applicable to all technical, non-technical colleges all over India. So by considering the calendar released by this IIC centralized, in what way we can make it customized for pharmacy institutions for better results? That will be our today's agenda. So, as you know, what is IIC or the major focus of IIC and the functions of IIC. So, Ministry of Education, Government of India, that is established or they have released these innovation cell. For what purpose? To foster the culture of innovation among all higher education institutions. And the primary mandate of this MIC is to encourage, inspire, and nurture all the young students by supporting them to work with new ideas and transform them into the prototypes or maybe some business models during their graduation and post graduation years only. So, this MIC has a vision that is, or whatever they are planning about Institutions Innovation Council across all the selected higher education institutions. And this network of IICs they have established across all institutions to promote the innovation and entrepreneurship in the institution. And as you know, 21st century has brought more new opportunities for India's startup sector. And recently organized Startup India Innovation Week, that on that day only me and Amol sir spoke related to the IIC cell. So very innovative week there we have done by the DPPI and in Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and that was a very much live example, you know. And this total innovative week signified importance of innovation and entrepreneurship. So here on occasion, I would like to discuss a few takeaway also from that innovation week. And if you see the overall flow, so takeaway we can say that startups are going to be the backbone of new India now. And when India completes 100 years of independence, maybe after 25 years down the line, or 20 to 25 years down the line, startups will have an important role. So countries' innovators are making the country proud globally. And in this decade, or maybe since last 4 to 5 years, if you observe the overall trend, the decisions are being taken by the government for innovation, for entrepreneurship, and for startup ecosystem, isn't it? And basically, three major aspects are there. The first point is about that entrepreneurship to be free from bureaucratic silos. तो जो भी restrictions है या whatever the rules and regulations है that are now innovator friendly, isn't it? And secondly, lot of institutional mechanism is being to be developed in this particular direction, and IIC is one of the example. So since last 4 years, so this is our IIC fourth version is going on. So since last 3 years, lot of emphasis is there on the innovation and entrepreneurship. And the third point is about hand holding the young innovators. So those who are the young students who are doing graduation or the post graduations, they are getting opportunity to learn what is entrepreneurship, what are the pros, then in what way we can enroll one business model, in what way we can bring the funds, all those things that are that will be the learning in education, or maybe in your graduation or maybe the post graduation. So obviously this is a good sign of progress in India. And as you know, major focus will be vibrant local innovation ecosystem, startup supporting mechanisms in all higher educational institutions, And as Amol sir said rightly, prepare institute for utter ranking of institutions on innovation achievements framework. So that is called as the ARIA ranking. So if we follow this IIC calendar throughout, so obviously we will get an idea in what way these activities are helpful to fit our college for this ARIA ranking. Because in ARIA total 8 subsets are there, or maybe the 8 criteria are there, and all these 8 criteria revolves around entrepreneurship, around intellectual property rights, around design thinking, critical thinking, isn't it? So obviously this is a good start, or IIC is a prerequisite to get a good score in ARIA ranking. Also establish the function ecosystem for scouting the ideas and pre-incubation of ideas, develop better cognitive ability among the students. So these are the major focus areas of this IIC. One more point, if you are talking about the functions of IIC, what we are doing, or maybe what will be the role of these IIC institutions. So we will conduct the various innovations, IPR and entrepreneurship related activities prescribed by Ministries of Education's Innovation Cell in time-bound fashion. Then we identify and reward the innovations and share the success stories through our IIC platform. We can organize periodic workshops, seminars, webinars, interactions with entrepreneurs, investors, professionals, and create a strong connection, or maybe the mentor pool for student innovators. Also, we can establish the network with peers and national entrepreneurship development organizations. Create an institution's innovation portal to highlight the innovative projects carried out by institution's faculty and the students. So whatever the activity you are doing under these 3 banners, innovation, entrepreneurship, and the intellectual property rights, so you can float it, or you can publicize it through this IIC portal. Also, we can take steps to organize some small competitions related to mini challenges, or maybe kind of idea competition we can do, or maybe the hackathons we can do with the involvement of maybe the industries, or maybe any collaborative college as well. So today we will talk exclusively about IIC 4 and what will be our expected steps to score maximum stars in this IIC 4. So in focus, if you are talking about IIC 4, so this is a evolved version that starts from IIC 1, IIC 2, IIC 3, and now whatever we are following in this academic year 21-22, so that will be the IIC 4. So IIC 4, or majority of all the IICs, is a faculty expert student council which takes on multiple activities to promote the innovation and entrepreneurship around the year. And objective is what? To prepare the students, all our BPharm students, all our postgraduate students, with skills apart from the academics, isn't it? Like critical thinking, design thinking, then innovative thought process, and the entrepreneur mindset. So this IIC 4 is an upgraded version in an alignment with the IIC 3, isn't it? So many features regarding in IIC 3 and IIC 4 are the common one. Only in IIC 4 there is an addition of mentor-mentee scheme is there, impact lecture series is there, and celebration day activities are there. So these are the 3 things, and remaining all the things related to the monitoring and submission of the reports. So obviously added 2 pointers related to the celebration day activities and mentor-mentee scheme, the criteria of assessment has somewhat changed. So IIC 4 is more comprehensive and will be able to establish a strong ecosystem of innovation, IPR, and entrepreneurship in higher educational institutions. So, dear students and faculty members, if you observe the features of this IIC 4, so this is a quarter-based approach. All the activities or all the calendars that is related or categorized into quarters. Then annual calendar plan for IIC is there. Learning module for the activities scheduled as per or as a part of the IIC annual calendar. Then self-driven activities there, celebration day activities, and MIC-driven activities. So based on these 4 points or maybe the 4 activities, the first one is IIC calendar, self-driven, MIC-driven, and the celebration. Different weightage or maybe the scoring system for each type of this activity or category is there. Then report submission will be there, and the evaluation will be done by our portal as well as our reports by MIC on quarterly basis. And they have introduced a new scoring mechanism also for a rating and quarterly rating systems as compared to the IIC 3. So if you are observing, or first of all, what we will do, we will start from composition of IIC council members. Now I spoke with Amol sir, and they told me whatever the composition is there, that is as per the IIC norms. So if you see the norms, the faculty representation is there, then expert representation, and student representation. So faculty representation, we have a president, convener. This president will be either faculty or maybe whatever, if the principal deputes any faculty, that faculty can play a role as a president, or maybe the principal can act also president. Convener, deputed faculty by principal, that will be convener. Then we have the subsets like innovation activity coordinator, faculty member, startup activity coordinator, internship coordinator, IPR activity coordinator, social media coordinator, and though this is optional, ARIA and the NRF. So I recommend to your IIC cell members or maybe the IIC head, please consider these 2 persons, ARIA coordinator as well as NRF coordinator.
Yes, sir.
We
have appointed those, and NRF coordinator was already in place.
Yes.
So this year we have appointed ARIA coordinator. We registered also for ARIA.
Yes. Because in all the IIC activities, if you keep them in a loop, so obviously that will be helpful for them to show in ARIA portal as well as the NRF portal. So generally what happens in many other colleges, I have observed that ARIA coordinator and the NRF coordinator are working separately, and this IIC team is working separately. So obviously what is happening, whatever the activities we are doing in IIC cell, so they are not capturing in a full interest or in a full scope in their portal, and obviously because of that our ranking system will go down. So this is the one thing I would like to recommend. And members, if any interested faculty is there, if he or she wants to join such kind of the mission of innovation and entrepreneurship, so you can always welcome that kind of the faculty, and that will obviously that will strengthen this particular cell. So that is in your hand. Now in expert representation, they are saying that will be the minimum 3. But if we have all these coordinators in place, so obviously that will give a strong signal to IIC cells. So innovation coordinator, startup coordinator, and internship coordinator, isn't it? So these are the student cell. Sorry. So I have just misplaced the columns. I just rectify to it. So this expert representation, isn't it? So here I have written expert representation, but this is the student representations, isn't it? Student representations up to 10 members. So in student category also, what we can do, same in an alignment with the faculty, there is a innovation coordinator, startup coordinator, internship coordinator, IPR one, social media one, and the general members, no limit. So obviously you can take maximum number of students based on their area of interest. So on an average, by considering now this particular case, suppose if you are talking about engineering colleges, so they have a number of branches, isn't it? So obviously they will get more numbers over here in general member category. But by considering the strength of pharmacy institutes, suppose if you restrict or limit up to 10 these general members as well, along with 2 in each category. For example, innovation coordinator, you can depute 2, startup coordinator, 2 students will be there, internship, 2 students will be there, IPR, 2 students, social media, 2 students. So total 10 students over here, and to assist all these things, total 5 parameters, you can depute the minimum 10 students over here, so that we can work in a full-fledged and in a very systematic way. Another point I have observed during execution of these IIC cell members, isn't it? By considering if you depute 2 students as a head of this particular cell, so that will gives more efficiency, or that will gives more impact to execute the activities, because here in a faculty occupies in number of activities, isn't it? They have to take academics, they have to conduct the extracurricular activities, or maybe they have to arrange seminars, webinars. So number of things will be there for faculty. So I recommend another recommendation at my end. So that is your choice whether you have to implement or not. But if you depute 2 students, say, for example, just in an alignment, or they will work in an alignment with the president and convener, isn't it? So if you depute, just give them designation as a student heads of IIC. Obviously, the activities under each cell, that will become more fruitful, more effective, and more impactful. And in expert representation, minimum 3 are there. So IP expert or patent expert. Now already, suppose from your college establishment, I think is from year 2008, isn't it? So from 2012, 13, your first batch passed out. So either you can depute one person who is aware of intellectual property rights, who can help you to arrange the sessions related to the patents, related to the copyrights, or related to the trademarks, and what is the mechanism to file the patent or to search the patent. If you appoint such kind of the person, so that will be helpful for this IIC cell. And this startup or alumni entrepreneur, so obviously now you have your own alumni. So identify 1 or 2 alumni, or who is having the startup, or maybe who is having that kind of the inclination or interest. So just identify that alumni and take him or her on this particular IIC cell activities. Then experts from nearby industry or industry associations or ecosystem enablers. So you can identify such person as well. Now you have a good contact, your faculty will have a good contact. Just explore, just check whether the profile of this particular person suits vision of our IIC or not, and accordingly ask him or her to work here along with IIC. Then fourth and fifth, that is not that much mandatory, but if you appoint any fund investor, or maybe any bank investor, or maybe venture capitalist, a number of persons are working in this direction also. So just identify, just check, because in IIC calendar number of sessions are there, which are the funding institutes available to fund some small kind of the projects or small budgeted projects. So maybe this person can helpful in that particular direction to give the information to all IIC cell members. And nearby incubation center. Now incubation center is a facility where we can give kind of space, or we can give kind of facility for to the young entrepreneurs to start their own business. So in your nearby area, if any kind of facility or any institute is there, you can depute any incubation center person, or you can keep it blank as well. You over the period you can pick up, or maybe next year, based on whatever the ideas you will get this year experience, based on that you will take call of this particular incubation center. So I think this is now IIC council member compositions, and your cell members are already placed. So based on the recommendation, let us see what kind of the modulation you can do for the better work of this IIC cell. And now we will pick up about overall proceeding of this IIC cell. The first important point is about vibrancy on social media is one of the important parameter of IICs, isn't it? Or MIC observes our social handles frequently. Whatever the activities you are doing, whether they are floated on your own IIC pages. So first thing you have to do, you have to create your IIC page on Facebook, on Twitter, on YouTube and Instagram. Here I have not written Instagram, but Instagram, majority of the audience or majority of the young students now they are preferring Instagram as compared to the Facebook. This is overall statistical survey. So in this case, first thing you have to create your social page with the name as a IIC. For example, your institute name is about IIP, isn't it? IIC, IIP, like that, or full name, that is your choice. In what way maximum hits you will get, based on that you can decide this particular tagline. And another thing, whatever the activities you are doing or initiatives you are taking, let us tag your activity on this particular Facebook page of MHRD Innovation. This is official Facebook handle of MHRD Innovation, Twitter and the YouTube. So you can follow this Twitter and you can tag this particular Facebook account of MHRD Innovation, whatever the activities you are doing. So these two things you have to do. And on YouTube, all the MIC driven activities of this MHRD Innovation Cell, they are getting published through this YouTube channel. So just subscribe this YouTube channel by your IIC. So this is one of the important point that we have to keep in mind while executing our own ideas or executing our own program. Then IIC calendar 21-22, suppose if you observe, so various thrust areas are there. They are categorized into 4 thrust areas. The first one is inspiration, motivation and ideation. Very wonderful. They have arranged all these programs in a very wonderful manner. So quarter 1 inspires all youngsters or young students, and based on that they have kept the sessions. Then in validation and concept development, So in a first quarter, student gets somewhat spark ki what is the innovation or what is the entrepreneurship, and then they will enter in a quarter two. At that time, they will see what is the validation or maybe the in what way we can consume our idea. At a third stage or in a quarter three, now they will learn what will be the business model canvas. Or suppose if I have to start any small setup or any small business, so what will be the model of that, or what are the parameters that I should think before investing or before taking jump in this kind of the business. So quarter three is exclusively on that particular point. And in quarter four, suppose based on that, if we are coming up with any startup developments, what are the legalities are there? What are the government facilities? Or maybe in what way we can get the funds, or in what way financial institutions are there which helps or promotes our ideas or the innovation. So in this way, this ISC calendar is placed for execution. So as you know, there are the IIC driven activities, MIC driven activities, and self driven activities. So if you see the IIC driven activity, so it prescribes an annual activity calendar for IIC that I told you, 4 quarters are there. In each quarter, minimum 3 activities we have to do to receive the full score. And institutes are encouraged to do a greater number of activities from calendar beyond the prescribed minimum. Agar IIC is saying about minimum 3 activities, but if you have a space and if you have a scope to do more one activity, so you can do that. Because it is expected that institutes which are in the emerging phase of the innovation ecosystem will follow the calendar plan vividly. And obviously, suppose if you are doing any extra activity, so that will be considered or captured as a reward point. In MIC driven activity, MIC is what? Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell. That is MIC. So MIC schedules various activities from time to time on its own or in collaboration with partner organizations. For example, I just told you from 10 to 18th January that Innovation Week was there. So number of activities were planned related to the innovation and entrepreneurship, and from that 11th and 12th January was declared as a MIC driven activities. So all the IIC cells or maybe the IIC institutes, they picked up that particular activity on 11th and 12th January as a MIC driven activity, isn't it? And all MIC driven activities are mandatory, isn't it? There is a no optional. For example, IIC may we can do 3 activities, but in MIC all activities are mandatory, and these activities are scheduled on IIC portal under the MIC driven activity tab. Then self driven activity, IICs are encouraged to plan their own activities apart from IIC calendar for promoting entrepreneurship and the innovation in their campuses. So self driven activities also we have to perform. Now number of activities will be there, isn't it? Then we will feel in what way we can complete the self driven activities. But now we have education institute, so obviously your different committees, maybe the sports or maybe the cultural committee or maybe the PHO or maybe like the IPL related committees, they also pick up various activities throughout year, isn't it? So just identify whatever the activities you are doing at present, in what way you can mold them under the self-driven activity, and you can give the flavor of entrepreneurship and the innovation in all that activities. So that thing we can do to perform the maximum self-driven activities. And you can do the collaborations with different agencies, different departments and industries for organizing seminars, or maybe the competitions we can do, or maybe the workshops, or maybe the training sessions relevant to the entrepreneurship and the innovation. So that thing we can capture as a self-driven activity. And to score maximum marks or maybe the star, here the star system is there in ISC ranking. So out of 5 star, we will get ranked. So in a particular quarter, it is necessary to complete at least 3 activities under the self-driven activities, isn't it? So in a one quarter, we have to perform 3 self-driven activities. And one more feature is there in this IIC 4. If you check the IIC portal, so here important day celebration activities they have launched from this year onward. So they have categorized that in a quarter one. So IICs should celebrate India Startup Day, National Innovation Day, or maybe the National Education Day. Then in second quarter, you can do the National Energy Conservation, National Pollution Control, or maybe the National Science Day. In third quarter also, they have 3 activities. And in fourth quarter, World Environment and maybe the World Entrepreneurs Day. Now, all these celebration activities, isn't it? So don't take it such kind of activities as a burden. So you can make such kind of the activities in your regular schedule as well. So for example, now due to this COVID situation, the online scenario, or maybe we can execute number of activities on online mode as well as the offline mode. So IIC has given that kind of the liberty, or maybe as of now, they have that kind of the provision to perform the activity either online or maybe the offline. So they have that particular option. So number of activities, for example, on a National Education Day, we can do the skit or just kind of the awareness message with set of students. So either they will pre-record that session, or maybe they will actually doing the skit on a particular day. So in that way, you can perform all these activities. Or maybe that is not the case. Maybe 14 December you had an exam, or maybe you had a holiday, or maybe you can't complete that particular activity. So at that time, you can take that particular weekend of that particular week and celebrate it with a tag of maybe the National Energy Conservation Day or maybe the National Pollution Control Day. So that kind of the liberty you have. The takeaway or maybe the important point is what this awareness is important among the youth or among the society. So that is important of all these days. Moving ahead, this is the IIC calendar of 21-22, semester 1, quarter 1. So all these things, see, workshop on entrepreneurship and innovation as a career opportunity, motivational session by successful innovators, then by a successful entrepreneur or maybe the startup founder, session on problem solving and ideation workshops, or maybe exposure and field visit for problem identification. Now, fifth number activity in current scenario, that is not possible. But above 4 activities, we can do it on online mode, isn't it? So first quarter and second quarter is merged in IIC 4 because of this COVID pandemic. So till February 22, 28 February 22, we have a sufficient scope to carry out all these activities. Minimum 3 activities we have to perform. So out of this 7, you can pick up any 3 activities which is best, or maybe the thrust area of that activities is inspiration, motivation, and the ideation. Or maybe developing online repository of ideas developed and maybe the way forward plan. So here what we can do, for example, this activity also we can pick up. In Mumbai University, for example, we have a Avishkar, isn't it? Mumbai University activity. So we can give shape these 7 number activities, isn't it? We can collect the ideas. Then in quarter 2, we can try to develop that ideas. In quarter 3, we can see the possibility in what way out of 7 ideas, the 2 ideas have a potential to carry on lab work and all those things. So in that way, you can carry this particular 7 number activity also, isn't it? So this 7 number activity is throughout in quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4. So developing online repository of ideas developed and way forward plan. So we can show them and you will get the good number of candidates for Avishkar as well, along with this IIC. So this will be the one of the good thing that you can do in IIC portal. Then in quarter 2, if you see the overall proceeding, that will be on validation and concept development. So here also workshop on design thinking is there, critical thinking is there, and innovation design is there. Then expert talk on process of innovation, development and technology readiness level, and commercialization of the lab technologies and the tech transfer. So this is the also quarter 2 activities. I will not read all these points because that are very well mentioned in a IIC calendar 21-20. So here also we can pick up the 3 activities in quarter 2. Then in quarter 3, that is related to the validation and innovation and business model canvas. So see, workshop on prototype or maybe the process design and development, here prototyping is there, workshop on business model is there, then exposure visit to incubation unit or maybe the patent facilitation center. Suppose if you have a IP intellectual property person in your external representation, ask him or her to just give the 1-day workshop or maybe the half-day workshop on a patent facilitation center, or how to plan for startup and legal and ethical steps. That kind of the online webinar we can arrange. Workshop on IPR and the IP management for startup. So in quarter 3, whoever the person you will appoint as an external representation in IP, isn't it? So you can ask that particular fellow to help out in all these particular completion of the quarter 3. This is the demo day exhibition or maybe the poster presentation of the business plan you can do. Then see, this is this again, developing online repository of business plan, prototypes developed and the way forward plan. In quarter 2 also same thing is there, isn't it? So this activity we can plan throughout year. If you have that kind of the idea or if you set that kind of the model of your IICs. Then in IIC 4, if you see, that is related to the validation and startup development. So here a session on innovation is there or prototype validation is there, session on accelerators and incubations. Then see session on angel investment, VC funding opportunities for early stage entrepreneurs. And same, developing online repository of startups developed and incubated and the way forward plan. So this is our IIC calendar, isn't it? Quarter 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now quarter 1 and quarter 2 are merged in this IIC 4. So obviously, if you feel you have not done any activity as of now, but from today till 27 February, you have a lot of scope to perform these activities so that you can score the maximum numbers or maximum stars towards the end of this academic year. Then IIC portal, isn't it? So as you know, you have already registered. So MIC has created a very comprehensive dynamic portal for these IIC institutes, and institutions having IICs are given login access to make use of this portal for managing institutes and council details, then report submission of activities, address queries, or publicizing our achievements and get notifications. So if your IIC is getting approved by a central MIC team, so obviously you will get the establishment certificate of this IIC, isn't it? Your institute has established IIC in this particular calendar year, so that your meter will start from that particular date to get a score in IIC 4. Now in my profile, if you see the overall portal, so you will get the tabs like this, certificates or maybe the reset password. You can reset the password over here, last login. So last 3 logins you can access from this, and your performance. So whenever you will, now for example, when you will enroll your activities in IIC 4, so your performance will be recorded over here in whatever the activities you are doing and all those things. So that you will get over here. And in this case, in my profile, if you check, you can obviously change the president of institute or change the details as per your institute requirement, then various certificates can be downloaded from here. For example, some few faculties done some kind of the training related to the innovation or related to the entrepreneurship as an innovation ambassador. So you can take some kind of the certificates, or you can download such certificates from here, isn't it? In the here in this certificate tab. Also, institute login password can be reset, and you can view the last 3 login times and date over here, and you can view the current performance of the institutes according to the score given on activity submission. So this is the after login you will get such kind of the portal. Then IIC ID number and the login credentials. So already you have created your IIC, so you will get such kind of the number, isn't it? So IC 2018. So this is a IIC created in year 2018, innovation cell, and this will be their coding pattern. So whenever we are doing any kind of the communication with MOE, at the time use this IIC ID, so that will be easy for them to trace. Yes, this is the IIC code number and the login credential of the institutes. Then color coding of the tabs are there. So I think we have opened up this particular portal. Just check or ensure that whether all things are green, isn't it? Institute details, add teaching and non-teaching members, then student members, external members, or maybe the council meetings. If you get all green signals, means you are okay with your data, whatever you are filling on a particular portal. If this is, for example, red marks, so obviously some data is pending over here. Unless and until if you don't add this thing, your portal or you cannot upload the activities, isn't it? So all these pointers are very important. 6 to 7 pointers are there. So just fill all these things. And these are the color coding of tags, means they have given this particular green mark, red mark, cross mark, isn't it? So accordingly, do this particular exercise first before adding or uploading any activity. Then in activity tab, you will observe that IIC calendar activity is there, MIC driven activity is there, celebration activity is there, self-driven activity, and my activity calendar of 21-22. So here you will see, here they have on a portal already this punchline is there. Q1 and Q2 is merged and institute can conduct the activities accordingly. So whatever the activities you have to do, you have to select, for example, all quarter. So you will go in this particular drop down, you will select the quarter 1. So in quarter 1, which are the IIC calendar activities, you will get the list over here. And then you can add to my calendar. Suppose you are okay with this particular idea, developing online repository of ideas and way forward plan. So just select it, add to my calendar. Or exposure and field visit for problem identification, just select it, add to my calendar, isn't it? And in what way we have to perform these activities, they have also given some guidelines, view details over here, isn't it? So if you tick or click this view details, so you will get some guidelines, what is this particular activity and in what way we have to execute. So these are the 4 things: IIC, MIC, celebration, and the self-driven activity. So you can select all the activities of all years, or you can select quarter-wise. That is your choice. Now, for example, we have picked up any one activity from this, isn't it? So here I have pasted here on the next slide. For example, quarter 2 activity is there. For example, semester 2, quarter 3 activity hai, and we have mentioned this is the first area: prototype, design, process development for business model, process or services. So say they have given theme of this particular activity. What is the theme? That will be related to startup. Activity name: how to plan for startup and legal and ethical steps. And mode of conduct, how will you do? Either you can do online or you can do the physical mode. Time duration, that will be the 1 day. Is it mandatory or elective? So this is a mandatory activity, isn't it? Then participants, students, minimum 100 students or 20% of institute strength. For example, your strength is 400, isn't it? So minimum 80 students should attend this particular activity. And faculty, maximum possible participation is needed at a faculty end as well. And in description, they have given, for example, organize a half or 1 day session on how to plan for startup and legal and ethical steps involved in enterprise development by inviting a legal expert or maybe the incubation head or maybe the startup founder or maybe the other domain expert. So they have given the description. So in this particular frame, we can do this kind of the activity, isn't it? So these are the activity guidelines of an every event that is mentioned on a portal. So there is a no worry in what way I have to do or in what way I can show this particular activity. So they have given some pointers. Around that pointers, we have to work. Then creating report of an event. This is a very important task. At least, isn't it? 2 programs or maybe the activity photos should be uploaded on ISC portal. So whenever you are doing online, make it or take it screenshot of that particular activity. Then 1 photo should cover the participants from front and other should cover the students and maybe the stage screen. So that is applicable to when we are conducting the activity in offline mode. The photos should be able to conclusively assert the conduction or maybe the organization of the program or maybe the activity. So ensure that whatever submission you are doing of photos or the reports, you have done that particular activity and accordingly based on that, by through that photo only, the viewers or maybe who is scrutinizing your ISC activities, they should get a message, yes, they have done this particular activity. Then 1 to 2 minute video of the program or activity should be uploaded on the YouTube, Facebook and Twitter channel of institute or IIC, and it should be public, isn't it? When you are talking about floating in a public YouTube channel, so you will get the 3 options, isn't it? You will make it public, you can make it unlisted one, or you can make it private one. So these activities should be in a public domain. Also, the URL of the video or photo should be provided during the submission of the report, and the video should cover all the students, speakers, and maybe the stage. Especially when we are performing the activities on online mode, so that will be easy for us to record the session, also to create the URL or to create or upload on a videos. But when we are doing offline, at the time ensure that some IIC members or maybe the students are recording the session of initial 5 minutes or in between or maybe towards the end, so that video is one of the proof or that URL is one of the proof to upload on that particular portal. A short write-up about the event. What was the event about? Number of participants, speakers for the event. So all these activities, short write-up and all those things, students can prepare very well. Right? We have a different subsets of the students. Maybe some students are taking care of innovation. Some students are taking care of startup. Some students are taking care of the social media. So obviously, the particular work is assigned to that particular student. For example, social media. Now you have 2 students in social media cell. Just what is their role? They will create the flyer or they will create the brochure of whatever the events we are doing under the IIC. Isn't it? They will float that kind of the IIC events or maybe the flyers on various social handles. Now your institute will have your own website, your own Facebook page, isn't it? On that page also all these activities will go along with pages of your IIC. This is not the case that only you will publish it on your college Facebook channel or maybe the YouTube channel. You have your IIC YouTube, IIC Facebook, IIC Twitter and IIC Instagram that is needed. So obviously this short write-up about the event, what was the event about, number of participants, speakers for the event, that you can write it before uploading on a portal. Now see, this is a quarterly council meeting details. Now when you will upload any activity, so for that purpose, this is a mandatory council meeting details. So we have to plan council meeting quarterly once, that is mandatory, so that you will get the date of meeting conducted. So in that quarter, you can decide the plan. In this quarter, these are the activities, and we have to perform this number of things. Then resolution. Resolution is what? What is the takeaway from that particular minute for that particular council meeting? For example, आपने at a stage discussion किया for 1 hour or maybe the 2 hour, and from that, whatever the resolved points are there, or maybe the action taking points are there, so that you will make it on a one page, and that will be the resolution of your this particular meeting. And then quarterly plan you can mention over here in a file, upload over here, and then minutes of meeting you can upload over here, and photos of this council meeting that is needed to upload or maybe drop on here on a portal, isn't it? So this is a mandatory activity before every quarter. जब तक आप ये मीटिंग कंप्लीट नहीं करोगे तब तक वो पर्टिकुलर क्वार्टर की एक्टिविटी की डिटेल्स आप फिलअप नहीं कर पाओगे ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर पोर्टल. Got it? Then template for each activity. I have this particular template. For example, I can show you the council meeting hai. What will be the template of that council meeting? Resolution meeting, then IIC driven activity report, self driven, MIC driven, and celebration day activity report. So I think I can show these things if time permits. What do you say? What do you say, sir?
Yes, sir. Please.
Can I show all these template? Just scroll the things. What is exactly?
Yes, sir. You can.
Okay. Okay. Just give me a moment. So first of all, I will show you the council meeting template. Council meeting template I just share. Just give me a minute. Okay, is it visible? Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. See, these are the minutes of meeting. For example, this is IIC committee, getting the orientation of IIC over here. Meeting date is there. Then schedule time. Then minutes prepared by. Right. So this is our student head of IIC. So she has prepared these minutes and minutes issued on. So which are the participants of the particular IIC cell? So the minutes of previous meeting were confirmed and action taken report was reviewed. So faculty or maybe the students absent need. Then actions, what we have decided. For example, workshop on entrepreneurship and innovation as a career opportunity. Then my story, workshop on all these things. Then due date also we have mentioned, tentative due date. And what will be the notes or maybe the description of that particular meetings. He has started the meeting by giving brief introduction about the events and conducted. So this particular minute you can prepare as per your own transactions. And as we have conducted this meeting on a MS Team platform, so obviously we have one attendance sheet generated automatically. So obviously we are creating or uploading this particular attendance sheet of all the members. And then minutes compiled by, these are our students, these are the student heads. Then minutes reviewed by, and then minutes approved by, and the principal. So here the role of convener is there, role of president is there, and the role of principal is there, isn't it? So in this way you can keep all the members in a loop for all the IIC activities. So this is about council meeting. Now another details I share. So I will take one resolution. A resolution template we will discuss. So I just share. So this is a resolution. So maybe the resolution, the first council meeting of IIC is over, and these are the guidelines, or maybe these are the name of the members, and those who are present, they have signed over here, and these are the points. These are council members met and discussed about the objectives of IIC, type of activities, and all those things. And this will be the date and all those things, IIC president or maybe this. So all these things come as a resolution of meeting, isn't it? Then another template I share, that will be any one IIC driven activity report I will pick up. So in IIC driven, if you see, this is a IIC driven activity report. For example, we had conducted one activity related to achieving the problem solution fit and product market fit. That was the title. So that was conducted on 29 December. Time is this and this. Total participants attended 166. Mode of activity, that will be on online MS Teams. And then this particular report is there. The session is initiated by all those things. Whatever the activity report are there, so that you can prepare over here, and you can add glimpses of the events, maybe 1 or 2 photographs you can add. You can put the attendance report over here, and again these are the prepared by, reviewed by, moderated by, approved by, and the endorsed by. So these are the things we can execute or we can do under the IIC activities. Then another activity I will take, that will be the MIC driven activity we will take. So I just stop sharing over here. We will pick up MIC driven activities. So recently one activity is over, isn't it, on 12th of January 2022. So that is a e-symposium on building innovation and entrepreneur ecosystem in educational institutions. So this is the activity name, mode of activity, then whatever the reports are there, isn't it, keynote address 3 on that particular day. So they have created this particular report, what happened exactly in that particular session. Then what will be the panel discussion. Then see, that was a very interesting panel discussion was there on that particular day. These are the very young students like you, isn't it, in a age 18 to 22 years. So they have created or they have started their own startup and the business, and they have oriented this particular session. So that was this particular occasion. Then this is a key takeaway. We need a good mentor at all times, and we should always learn from other people's experiences. Our goal should always be clear, and we should behave in accordance with it. And as an entrepreneur, we should understand how to put ideas into action, because it is critical to the success of our business. And I'm happy to share that all these reports are prepared by our IIC students only, isn't it? So they are very active and they are very vibrant. So all this literature or all these things they have prepared about these particular sessions. So closing ceremony, what was the closing ceremony? So they have noted all these points, and accordingly they have uploaded on a particular portal. And then one last activity report that I will show you. Just give me a minute. That will be self-driven, and one more celebration day activity, and then we will uh, take another point for discussion. So self-driven activity report. I just share. Just give me a minute. Self-driven activity report. So this is a self-driven activity. We had done this particular activity 21st August. That is, activity name is a business quiz. And what was the mode of activity? And this is a report of the activity. And these are the some glimpses of the event. And this is the again whatever the assigned duties are there. So accordingly, we have prepared this particular report of self-driven activity. Again, I close, and one last report I would like to show you about celebration day activity, which is added now in this IIC 4. So in celebration day, so this is a celebration day. We had done this celebration day, National Energy Conservation Day, on 19 December, isn't it? The total participants were 55, and we have created report of this. The skit was there on online lecture among the teachers and their 3 students related to the National Energy Conservation Day. And skit was taken ahead by the students, giving a few steps to prevent energy loss and conserve it for their futures. So this kind of the report we had generated, and this is a glimpses of the event. And this is a attendance report. So this is a celebration day activity report, isn't it? So I again share our presentation now. On this particular point, we were there. We were here, isn't it? So this is a template for each activity. Yes, we are here only on this slide. Is it visible for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a template for this particular activity. And now the scoring mechanism, this is also the one of the important point over here, that IIC calendar driven activities are there, 50% weightage. Self-driven activities, 30% weightage is there. MIC driven activities, 20% weightage is there, and in the celebration day activities, 10% weightage is there. Means this is not the case that we will skip any one activity. If we have to score maximum star over here, we have to fit our own IIC activities in all these 4 parameters. As per calendar, 50%, and celebration day activities, 10% weightage is there. And this is a scoring mechanism that we have created for our own self, for our own IIC. So this is a quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4, and this is a tentative duration. So that will change as per whatever the guidelines comes from the IIC. But as of now, this is a, for example, September to November and December to February. So till 22 February, we have a quarter 2. So how much activity we have to do in IIC 3, isn't it? In self-driven 3, MIC driven as prescribed or mentioned in portal, and celebration day activities per quarter 1 activity. So quarter 3 from March to May, and quarter 4 June to August 22. So these are the 3 activities, IIC activities in each quarter, self-driven activities in each quarter, and MIC activities as prescribed, and 1 activity from each quarter. So this is best. Yes.
I think those slides are not reflecting on the screen. We are. I could see IIC Council member composition slide.
Okay. I just
Please. scoring mechanism slide is there.
Ha ha ha.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Okay, just wait, sir. Scoring mechanism. Yes, is it visible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this scoring mechanism, under IIC, 3 activities per quarter, self-driven, 3 activities per quarter, MIC as prescribed, and celebration day activities, 10% weightage is there. So 1 activity in each quarter. Then innovation ambassador is one of the tag that generally Ministry of Education will provide based on the training they gives us. So yearly or maybe the half yearly, they have a training sessions arranged for faculty members. And that training session also again revolves on these 3 pointers only: innovation, entrepreneurship, and IPR. So I recommend that you should depute maybe a couple of faculty members or maybe all the IIC faculty members to go on these training sessions. All these training sessions are online only. After 1 hour, 2 hour, they have a quiz kind of the pattern, or maybe they just organize sessions maybe periodically. 10 sessions will be there, so that should be attended by the innovation ambassadors or maybe the faculty members. So you can depute faculty members on such training sessions. So obviously, you can view the details of their innovation ambassadors and download the e-certificate of these innovation ambassadors on the IIC portal. Then other tabs on the IIC portals are there, like incubation details, announcement from the IIC institutes. If you want to publish your activity or your own flyer on IIC, so you can upload over here so that every college can see that announcement from the IIC institutes. Then notifications by Ministry of Education Innovation Cell. Then performance card also we can see over here. And if you wish to give any kind of the suggestions, or if you have any kind of the query, then you can put over here in the suggestion tab. And in the download tab, they have given a lot of options in download. For example, IIC calendar 4 is available in the download tab, or maybe training session is available in a download tab. So you can access all these things from the other tabs of the IIC portal. So yes, I would like to acknowledge Institutions Innovation Council, Ministry of Education. They have created this wonderful platform for all the higher educational institutions to create the ecosystem or to create the culture of innovations, entrepreneurship amongst all the students. And also I'm thankful to our institute, Dr. Bhanuben Nanavati College of Pharmacy, our principal madam. She has given consent to have a resource on this particular activity at your own institute. And towards the end, thank you very much. With a quote, teamwork divides the task and multiplies the success. So I expect you have wonderful team under the Dr. Khade sir leadership. So you can do number of activities under this IIC cell as a teamwork, and obviously you will get good 5-star in IIC 4. So thank you very much. So if you have any specific query or any doubt, now we can take a question answer session as well. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your knowledgeable and innovative session. Hope everybody had enjoyed and equipped with the knowledge. Now we would be having the Q&A session. If anybody has any questions, do raise it or put it under the chat box.
Yes, any queries from student side? Because you are the main driving force.
Yes, students you have to perform very well. All the guidelines, all the mechanism is in place. Only the energy, enthusiasm, and to bring such kind of the culture in your institute, that matters a lot. And so I hope all the students are very enthusiastic to pick up the activities under this institution innovation council. Over to you, sir.
Sir, I personally have two queries related to this.
Okay.
One is, like you said, quarter one and quarter two have been merged now in
Yes.
this calendar. So
Yes.
whether we have to take only one meeting is sufficient with respect to planning activities for quarter one and quarter two?
Yes, yes, you can take one meeting, but to upload the quarter two activities, you have to show kind of discussion or maybe the kind of meeting.
Okay, okay. And another thing, sir, this calendar which is provided by this ministry, no? So is it applicable as per the academic year? Because now we are starting the activities. So for
Yes,
consideration,
they have their own calendar, sir. They have their own calendar. Now they have rolled it from November,
okay,
December, October. So I
it
just
will
check
start
it.
from October.
Yes, I just check it. The first quarter that is started from 1st September to November 21, and second quarter is from December to February.
Okay.
Hmm.
So now in our case, like quarter one is already over, and even
Yes, yes,
part of the quarter two is completed. So now we have entered at almost at the end of the quarter.
quarter one. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, they have merged it. So now we have almost 1.5 months to complete the activities.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Any query from faculty member or student member you can ask.
Sir, one more question I have. That where to find out or where to trace the incubation center nearby to our institute? Where we get this information?
On IC portal, they have a list of incubation centers, but there is at present, if you have a incubation center nearby, you can just search in that particular list if they have mentioned over there, or maybe some Atal labs are there. Now, for example, here at our institute, one Atal incubation center is there of same management. So we are showing that maybe that will be the incubation center for our institute, because that comes under the same umbrella. So just search in your nearby areas if any kind of lab is there, or maybe you have a you can show the tie-up with any kind of the government authority, maybe BRC or maybe like that of the any kind of the CDRI lab or like that.
Okay.
Only the representation is needed from that side,
Okay.
and if need arises, we can at least utilize that facility. That is mandatory.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So I think all the slides are self-explanatory. So I think we should close the session. Yes, sir. What do you
Yes.
say?
So thank you very much for enlightening us on this particular IIC portal and what kind of activities we can undertake. And I
Yes.
personally invite you to visit our institution whenever you feel comfortable.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sure, sure. Thank you very much for this lecture.
With your due permission, I request Ms. Akshata Jadhav to propose the vote of thanks for today's session. Over to you, Akshata.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Good afternoon to one and all. It is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks with deep sense of appreciation towards our innovation ambassador, Dr. Sandeep Jine sir, and our honorable principal, Dr. Ramol Khade sir. We also thank our management and institution's Innovation Council for organizing today's orientation program and making it a triumph. And most importantly, I thank all the faculty participants from various colleges who made it possible to make this event successful. Let us also present a special thanks to my fellow students for attending today's orientation. Thank you all and have a very good afternoon.
Yes, thank you very much, Akshata. Thank you very much, Amol sir, and Master of Ceremony, Mr. Nikul.